Hey everyone, thanks again for tuning into a Titan Tutorials video. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove a door panel. This was a request from one of our subscribers, so shout out to Makarov for asking us to do this video. Removing the door panel is pretty simple. It's just a matter of removing a couple of pieces of trim and taking out a couple of screws. So we'll show you how to do that, and you should be able to get this done in just a matter of minutes. So the first thing you have to do is take off the switch, window switch. We can just pry that off, take that off. I already removed the connector down there. Second thing you need to do is come here to the door handle. This piece of molding pops off as well, so we can pull that off. And inside are two screws. There's going to be one inside here, one inside here. For the sake of the video, I've already removed each of those. You come down here to the lever, and behind the lever right here is a plastic tab. That pops off as well. Inside there you'll have another screw. Then you also need to take off this larger piece of trim as well. You slide your screwdriver around, and there's going to be two more bolts. One right here. So there's the one we removed before. Here's the other one. And once you do those things, come here to the armrest. Slide your flathead screwdriver underneath here. And this is going to pop off. So that pops off. Then there's one more screw that would go in right here. And from then, it's just a matter of sliding your screwdriver along the outside. That door panel will start to pop off. You can work it all the way around. Once you have it off, you can remove the wires for your lock, which is right here, as well as the handle, which is down here. A lot of vehicles also have that little utility light here at the bottom, which you can unplug as well. But that's it. It's a pretty simple process to get the door panel removed on a Nissan Titan. It's just a matter of removing those 4 or 5 pieces of plastic molding and unscrewing about 5 or 6 different screws. So thank you for watching this video, and we hope to see you next time.